Hey guys, we are vlogging again today. My hair isn't even done, but that's okay. My man's like rushing me out of the house, kind of, because he wants to do like yard work or something. I don't know. We're like building a path out in the yard with like landscape rocks or something, whatever the heck they're called. I think I'm going to go sit and have a sesh outside because I have not done that yet. It's kind of like cold outside. Well, it's only like in the 60s. Like I'd rather it be in like the 70s or something. I'm going to show you like my little garden area now. It is definitely not done, so don't laugh. That pumpkin plant probably died. One has fallen over and probably died, but these don't look too bad. These are supposed to be sunflowers. My friend gave them to me. Well, he like started them from seeds and these are like little solar plants, or not plants, solar plants, solar lights, dragonflies, and then these little things. This is supposed to be a pumpkin plant, but I think it died. But I don't know, maybe I can bring it back to life. I have to water these shits right now. I just bought a watering can today, so yeah. This is not how it is going to look. This looks atrocious right now. But it's gonna be like a little garden path. Probably won't be done until like next summer. I'm working on it. It's kind of whatever right now. I have to water those damn plants. So give me a second. How am I gonna do this? I need my sunglasses. It's bright as fuck out here. Okay, those flowers are watered. What else? Why do I have like weeds? I have like these little weeds coming through. Like these little clovers and shit. This is my first garden I've ever had, and honestly, I just like whipped it up at last minute, kind of. So, it's not gonna be perfect. It's okay though. It's a learning process. Alright, I'm gonna like weed this garden a little bit better and swap these board things and I don't know, just do a bunch of like random stuff. But first we are going to vibe out a little bit. Cheers! What is that beeping? It should have looked annoying. I have like the worst headache right now, so I have Celsius to maybe help me, because it may be like 2 p.m. but to me it feels like 2 a.m. if that makes sense, because my whole sleep schedule and like circadian rhythm is all off. I have the sparkling sherbet one. I have to start like uploading some of these vlogs. I have like, this is my second vlog I'm making for you guys. So I hope you like them, because it takes up a lot of space on my phone, so. Okay, I got completely distracted and forgot to like show you what I did. But we're gonna go back down there and I'll show you. I'm smoking again, of course, because why not? Vibes. My tanning stuff is just like blotched all over my face because I was like sweating my ass off, so. But I will show you what I was working on down there, but let's just like vibe and have a little sesh first, right? Okay, so this is what I was working on. Trying to dig up, not that much, but just a little bit for these little squares, and then I have to get more squares. That's what I've been working on for like hours though. I just kept getting distracted. But yeah, it's gonna look like a vibe out here. Doesn't look like much now, but now it's time to just sit and chill and finish my cereal bowl from earlier that I didn't get to finish before dinner. So I am in my little like canopy thing. I'm going to be like dragging out all of my ring lights and my tripod and everything because I'm going to do Saturday night smoke sesh out here. I'm so excited. There might be some like random like background noise as you can hear because it's like a nice day out finally and it's Saturday, so my neighbors are all chilling it out and stuff, so you might hear some background noise, but that's okay. I can't wait to show you these lights. We put up these new lights. You can't really see them. Well, like you can see the balls right there, but you can't really see the LED lights that we have, but you'll be able to see them tonight. What else? Yeah, this is just like the vibes right now. I have to get my lights and stuff set up, but I didn't vlog enough today. I was supposed to vlog a lot more, but I didn't for whatever reason. I just got like really busy and stuff. Yeah, we're gonna start the smoke sesh video a little bit later. Hopefully my neighbors go in because they're kind of noisy. So this is just like the vlog portion. I'm just getting stuff ready because I need to try out the lighting and everything. Because I feel like the lighting's going to be like really weird.
Do you want to turn those lights white or do you like them colorful?
They can say colorful. I like the colors.
I'm about to try to just mess with that switch if they come on.
Well, it's not yet like completely dark over there. So, okay, so these lights came on, but we're waiting for the balls to come on. I'm about to go up and get my stuff for like no, what was I grabbing? Like my stuff for the smoke sesh video. No, nothing. I think it just has to like be lighter or darker over there. They'll be on in a little bit, I'm sure. So I'm gonna go get my stuff. Make sure I have everything. Go get ready. Whatnot. Maybe do something with my hair. Let's go. Okay, I'm up here in my little office getting ready room right now. Figuring out what I should do with my hair. Okay, I don't know what I should do with my hair today. I didn't do anything because my man rushed me out of the house today. He's like, come on, let's go. We're going shopping and all that. So I only had time to put the extensions in, not to actually like do anything with them. I was supposed to film a video today too. Like, what was it? It was supposed to be like a another Shein try-on video. I didn't get to it today though. Maybe tomorrow. We're gonna do the hair in a little bit. We're not gonna do the hair right now. I don't feel like messing with it. So let's just like clip it back. We're just going to be getting ready for the smoke sesh video. The makeup, it's looking a little bit smudgy and stupid. I put like these tanning drops on. Just for like, they're like bronzing drops or something. I don't know. Sunless tanning drops. I don't know. They're kind of like bronzing drop thingies. I put them on and I didn't expect to like really do anything outside today, but I did. And they kind of like ran down my face a little bit here. Let me get my moisturizer. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on like a little bit of moisturizer to see if it kind of smooths it out a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, just, I don't know. I don't know if it's really doing a good job, So maybe we can do like a drop of this. It doesn't have to be perfect, just, I don't know. It's on like the side of my face too, so I'm not like super worried about it. Whatever, it's like better than it was. Just gonna try to like smooth this out. I might just touch up my eyes a little bit probably. And then we'll worry about the hair. Maybe just kind of like touch up my eye makeup a little bit because it's all smudgy. But that's okay. The smudgy's not too bad, but maybe I just hate when it like builds up in my corners like that. I don't know how to like, get rid of that. I think I'm going to put on like more eyeshadow. Is that what it's called? Eyeshadow? Yeah. I have no idea what I'm going to be like talking about in the smoke sesh video. Probably just like, yeah, talking about like, I don't even know. What should I talk about? Summer plans and like stuff. It's not a bad idea. Like upcoming videos and stuff. I don't know. I'll probably do like a little tour of my garden at night because I showed you guys a little bit in the vlog while I was working on. My dragonfly lights are lit up, so I'll show that. And what else can we deal with? I don't even know. That looks not that bad. Maybe I should do some like sparkle since it's like nighttime. I wish I had some like gray. Should we do sparkle? Just get crazy. Ooh, then not that. Where is a brush? I'm trying to get like a... Maybe I'll just use my finger. Which one should we do? VIP Vibes. That's what the name of this eyeshadow is. Or this Closing Party. Or Peach... Oh, Peach Fizz. Peach Fizz? Nah, we're probably going to do this icon. I'm just going to use my finger probably. Ooh, pretty. I don't even know. Should I like blend it now or something? We're gonna try to do that wing thing again. I got this thing off Shein. It's like this weird little stamper thingy. It's supposed to make like wings on your eyeliner or whatever. I forget which way it goes though. Is it this way? I don't even know. I'll figure it out. Okay, now I have to try to make the other side match, which is gonna be like very difficult. Do they match? Probably not. Maybe if you don't focus on it. I don't think everyone would notice. Is it cute? I don't know. Do I like it? I don't know. Ooh, I gotta like connect these now, I think. I think that's what the other side of this is for. Connecting them. We'll see. Oh man, I think that's like bleeding everywhere. Oh, it is. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Maybe this was a bad idea. You know, I saw a video on TikTok about this woman talking about like different eyeliners and dry times. And I keep forgetting about the whole dry time thing. Like you have to let certain eyeliners dry at like different rates and whatnot, and that just like makes so much more sense. And if I could just like remember that while I'm actually like applying eyeliner, I think it would go a lot better. They might not be the same, but it's okay. Alright, my setting up the video has been interrupted because I'm hungry right now and I don't know what I want to eat. Oh my gosh. What? There was something I regret not getting today. What the hell was it? I totally forgot. I don't even know. What was it? It would be so good right now. Oh my god, it's s'more. But we don't have... Oh, we do have chocolate. But I have like no way to like really toast the marshmallow. That's good. Good for the cotton mouth. Alright. I gotta do the video. I must get set up. So good. Alright, let's go. I'm bringing this out too. Mushroom light. The fuck am I stepping on? I'm sorry, this thing's like in the way. Alright, I'm probably going to end the vlog here because I'm just like annoyed with the lighting and stuff, but let me really quickly show you my little garden. That's that moth that keeps fucking attacking me. Get the fuck out of here. Ooh. Oh, well, we put these lights up along the... Can you see them? What the hell? Where are they? There's one. And then I just have my firefly lights on my garden. So cute. There's gonna be like more lights down here, but for now on, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I gotta get ready for my next smoke sesh video. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!